Behind the scenes. You ready? Alright, I took it. Alright. Alright. Crush. Look at them bitches.
That's all I needed. Oh yeah, that's it. That's
Crush.
him right there.
Look at that.
That's him right there. Ooh, that's him right
focus.
there.
There. Crush. Oh yeah, all black bitch. Stop playing. Ooh. Boy, got that carbon fiber on that motherfucker. Look, yeah, man. Look, man. We outside tonight, man. Look, we got a little car meet, a little race meet tonight. Look, man. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Y'all see the fit. We outside. Look. Oh, all right. Okay. Look, man. Lined up over here. So shit, y'all stay tuned. Pick up the camera whenever when more people pull up. So yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. That purple hit hard on that bitch. You can't even see the color. That bitch look black. Man, you still can't see the color on this bitch. There you go. Oh, I got the tips sticking out this bitch. Oh shit, bitch, you gutted? What you gutting your car? Man, this bitch so clean, boy. Damn. I like the color on this bitch. You can't really even tell what color it is at night. Yo, this Cam C6 finna race my partner Cam 10-speed Camaro 6 gen. So we finna go to the interstate, then we're gonna go back to the other racetrack because I got more cars over there. So let's go ahead and get this good shit rolling. I'm trying to see the race. So I need to go ahead and get over yonder. Just follow the field, cause we're gonna be in the front. My shit over here grinding and crying. Told Bears car, I can't wait to get my cat. Slim by the Hellcat. Ooh, oh fuck no! My shit crying and grinding. Phil, come on! Ain't nobody got time for everybody to be passing.
don't got a supercharger on it, kid.
You ain't got that supercharger. Somebody downshift. That's so fucking bad. So fucking bad. Man, I need a oil change.
If it's just the rotors, why you don't just get the rotors? How much the rotors is?
I don't look at them fucking Shit, they would have been fucking with you. Y'all, man, they got buku cars out here. A lot of them just left though. I should have been picked the camera up. They got too much going on. Police out here bad. All these cars, these niggas trying to rush and get the fuck out of here. Dion right there. Ain't is that Dion? Shit, no, that's some dude coming. That shit grinding, boy. This little ass Mustang, cuz. I'm gonna wait on Trey before I leave. That nigga got a real vlogging camera. Camera and everything. Big choppy, boy. They got the Infinity over here. Niggas out here, boy. Yeah, this nigga hopping out his car on that bullshit. Katie, who you trying to tell? Nigga, we had niggas that The police was escorting us. Hey, what you say, Tony?
What the fuck? We got the fucking
Block hot. Yeah. Alright. Stop playing.
That bitch slow as a bitch.
Stop playing. Yeah. Nigga, we about to do that doing it, nigga, there, man.
They trying to unblock the touches right quick.
Uh-huh. We brought them boys out tonight. The rest on the way, the rest on the way. Yeah. Scatpack. Scatpack. That sucker. You finna spin that bitch or you finna do a little burnout?
That bitch already moving. Hey!
Nigga said that bitch like turn over. You gotta get in there. Get in now! What? Oh shit! Hold that bitch! Yeah? Hey, y'all gotta get out. Hey, y'all gotta get out that motherfucker. I got too many big boys in that bitch. Hold on, that bitch sound like it killed a little bit. Hey, what Dion them, where they at? What are you trying to do with this? Oh shit! Hey, that boy said, fuck us, boy. Come on, two big boys in that bitch can't slide. That boy was in that bitch, man. Fuck no, they tripping. Hey! Bitch ass nigga. Hey, they dangerous. Hey, somebody gonna get hurt. Oh shit! No! That man smoked his ass. That boy low. Get your little pull in. Get your little pull in, B. Hold that bitch. Hold that bitch. Come on now. Dion. Oh yeah, nigga, you see me, baby. Shit. Man, they got somewhere else to go though. Yeah, we finna get shitty. I ain't think it was gonna be like that. That's what I can't do. I can't do it. I ain't think it was gonna be like that. Yeah. Nigga said he took it out. He came out. Oh, he took the crown out. He took that bitch out. He took that mama. Man, that boy put the crown back in the bitch. Oh my. No, man, nigga, get your slow ass off. Stolen me. Oh yeah. Clean. Oh, fuck my car back there. Damn. They got this bitch. Oh. on it, man. What you say about that, man? That W, man.
Hey, that W.
That bitch chopping over there.
What if I lost that bitch?
This is a Hellcat car.
Look at Key Scare Ass. Look at Fat Key Scare Ass. Look at Fat Key Scare Ass. Fat Key.
They swerving them regular car like they in stuff. Hey, watch that Mustang. Watch that motherfucking Mustang. Hey, this been funny as a bitch, man.
Alright.
Man, fuck them boys.
That boy Trey over there trying to get freaky.
Hey, Trey trying to get freaky.
That boy should say fuck 12.
This shit says fuck 12.
Fuck 12. Yeah.
Oh, out you.
Hey, that bitch climbing. That bitch,
Oh, out
that bitch got power. That bitch got up there here. Hey, that bitch. That bitch got that power, B. That bitch went up that hill. That bitch with no hesitation. That bitch got up there, yeah. Man, what money at, man? Keep money, bullshit, man.
All right, mama. Keep on playing. Mama tripping.
Yeah, man. Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Be showing them diamonds, B. Yeah, move outside. Yeah, stop playing, man. At first he said he wasn't sliding. So now we slide. We couldn't do shit but slide.
I say, now that bitch.
You see how that bitch lift up? Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch got a can.
What they got? What they got?
We got that cheat in there. My boy ain't got no more brakes.
That nigga burn out. See some fears coming down.
Boy, what if that fucking Impala got over in that bitch? That bitch was, who the fuck was that?
Boom. Clay.
That was Clay car.
That was Clay.
That nigga shit big as gonna tell me.
That Widebody moving.
Why the fuck that Widebody look like that nigga, that Atlanta nigga, saying? With the gray Widebody.